This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can erase all your media files, so wipe your gallery clean on this drone. So to start, look below the camera's shutter button and tap at the icon you'll find there to launch the gallery or to open the gallery. From here, make sure to select the All section, then tap at the Select tool at the top right corner, then press Batch Select. Once all your media files are selected, press the Erase button, which is located at the bottom left corner. Then confirm by pressing Delete. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.